Is the complication of your website getting in the way of you presenting your work? What if building your digital presence was easy and presenting your portfolio to your clients was fun? Say goodbye to templates and say hello to a beautiful mobile and a beautiful web experience that highlights your portfolio first. Our layout engines allow you to make unique looks on any page, including mobile. With Pocket Portfolio, your images take front and center. They are what you're showing to the world, and they become your website. Pocket Portfolio just doesn't have you in mind. We have your clients in mind as well. Through our Client Desk feature, you can upload high-res images, you can back up your files, and you can communicate directly with your clients about your work in the same place. Pocket Portfolio could not have made it easier for you to get started, and we're building an amazing amount of tutorials to help you build the best portfolio you can. It's free to sign up, there's no credit card required, and as a bonus, you get to join the Pro EDU education community.